roundabout onto UT Street. Continue for 2 kilometers.
It's a different place. Muscat Bay. Muscat Bay we can go. Even
It's all mountain. So we have again exploration, Muscat exploration. This is our first time to come in this place. Yeah, we will go to a restaurant and eat lunch.
In 800 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Okay, let's take a pause. So, yes, Fons, are you hungry or you are bored? You're sleepy? Look at the road. Oh my God. Look at the road. Oh, katakot. Oh, look at the road, guys. Si Fonzie ay inaantok na. Gusto niya nang matulog pero magla-lunch nga kami kaya dinidisturb siya ni ate. I think we're very close to our destination. Your destination is on your right. Ang layo niya, guys. It's very far than what we thought. It's really, look at this. Yeah, big rocky mountain.
too many rocks. Oh.
Looks like there's a small village here. Yeah. So still on the road. I thought we were close, but still far.
This is the snow. What is this?
Is a lake or
It's a dam. There is a dam.
dam? So finally we reached our destination. Are you hungry, Fawn?
Over here, where you see.
Look, there's a
Take the
checkpoint.
next right.
There's a
Then your
police-
destination
police.
will be on the right.
You see that?
Finish.
There's a checkpoint.
We go to the Mediterranean restaurant. Yes.
But no more space,
No, the gate is closed.
no more parking.
Yeah.
No, the gate is closed.
And then we go to the left once. So this is Muscat Hills. This is the restaurant. There's the beach. And the guys. This is Muscat Hills. Yeah, we're Nagandahan si Fan sa lugar. Lalo na sa electric fan. Oh, amaze na amaze siya sa electric fan. Fonzie wants to play the sun. We need to eat lunch. See? Pag nakakita ng sun, dahil nako. Titigil. Umiyak na. Umupo na. We need to go eat lunch, Franz. We need to eat lunch. Let's go eat lunch and then you play sand, okay? Yellow ones. Let's go. Let's go up. Tama yung ngiti o pag nakalaro ng buhangin. Ayan.
Very hot, sir. Very hot.
The seafood paella.
It's hot, no? And we have the rolls. Sir, the plate also very hot.
Seafood paella.
Wanna pili?
Octopus. Okay. Octopus. sections. Over there's a swimming pool. So, shower area. Punta tayo doon, guys. Walking tayo sa doon. They have kayak. So, lakad-lakad tayo. Yeah. Kakaya. Ay, hala, may ano. May namatay na isda. Hindi gaanong maganda yung beach. Yung water, oh. Madumi siya. Not very nice for swimming. Okay. So, this is the okay. So, yeah. We came here for lunch only. Hindi kami ready. Hindi kami nakaswim. TV reveal. Yeah. Ang dalawa. Nagpabanding yung dalawa. Ang kinakay. Nagutom. What are you guys eating? Wow, may pa Shangri-La. Shangri-La. Tapos may Almar. May pa sangria si ate. Ikaw na. Ice cream. Ice cream. Wow. Sand ice cream. Bravo. Yeah.
Kailangan madama pakain kanyan.
So, uwi na kami guys. Tapos na kami kumain. Yes, yes. Yeah. Okay.
No, you don't eat, eh?
Nasarapan siya sa ano, sa paella. O, tinang mo. Sinimot, pati tutong. Kunin mo natin.
French.
Yeah, that's finished. You enjoy the paella so much. Ala ko uwi na kami. Sinimot niya pa yung pagkain sa kawali.